Get ready to be amazed by the power of AI. This video provides a comprehensive overview of the latest advancements in AI-powered educational tools for students of all levels. We're diving into mind-blowing AI innovations for study assistance, writing, research, problem-solving, personalized tutoring, study plans, and language learning. Furthermore, we will discuss productivity enhancements, ethical considerations, best practices, and showcase several next-generation AI agents and experimental AI tools you probably haven't heard of. We'll keep you informed about the unfolding AI revolution. Subscribe to the channel and save this video to receive the newest updates as we discover them even before they're released to the public. First up, NotebookLM from Google, your personalized AI research and learning assistant. Just upload your research papers, study notes, PDF files, websites, YouTube videos, audio files, or textbooks, and NotebookLM will answer your questions based on only those sources. No AI hallucinations, just accurate source-grounded answers. Below, we categorize the leading AI tools of 2025 and beyond by their main function. First, writing and research AI tools. Google's AI Studio gives you access to Gemini 2.0 Pro, an experimental model designed to be your personal learning assistant. It can guide you through a wide range of learning tasks. ChatGPT, your all-in-one AI assistant. Grammarly, the ultimate grammar and style checker. Quillbot. This is your tool to paraphrase or improve fluency. WordTune and Pro Writing Aid. Enhance clarity, fix errors, and refine your tone. Elicit and Cite.ai. Find and analyze research papers with AI-powered insights. Perplexity AI. AI search engine that summarizes scientific research for quick understanding. And Consensus. AI-powered academic search engine. Next, problem-solving and tutoring AI tools. These tools solve problems step by step so you actually learn, not just copy answers. Quanda and Photomath. Snap a pic of your math problem and get a detailed step-by-step solution. Wolfram Alpha, like Google but for math, science, and engineering. Socratic, powered by Google AI, provides AI-powered explanations for any subject. Scymith, a math tutor in your pocket. Next, study aids and note-taking AI tools. These AI-powered tools will supercharge your learning. Quizlet and Anki, AI-driven flashcards that help you memorize faster. Notion AI and Mem.ai, AI-powered note organization and summarization tool. Fireflies.ai and Otter.ai, AI transcribes lectures and summarizes key points. Doctrina AI, instantly create practice tests and quizzes, summarize notes, and write essays. Next, AI-powered language learning. AI has revolutionized language learning. First up, Duolingo. It provides quick, bite-sized lessons to help you practice speaking, reading, listening, and writing in over 40 languages. Babbel. The Babbel method helps you learn a new language quickly using real-life conversations. ElsaSpeak helps you improve your English speaking skills, pronunciation, and vocabulary with real-time feedback. Next, AI for productivity and time management. These AI tools maximize efficiency and keep you organized so you can focus on learning. Speechify and Read Aloud. Convert text to speech for better focus. Fireflies.ai and Otter.ai. AI transcribes and summarizes meetings or group discussions. AI study planners. Use Brainly and MyMap.ai to create a customized study plan. Next, AI-powered presentation tools. AI makes presentations effortless so you can focus on your ideas. Beautiful.ai and Gamma. Turn text and ideas into captivating presentations in seconds. Tome and Presentations.ai. AI-powered tools that help users create presentations without requiring design and generate customizable templates quickly. Dectopus, and SlidesGo, AI presentation makers that will create amazing presentations in seconds. In the latest AI advancement, an AI agent is a self-contained entity that can perceive its environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals. Think of it as a program that can act intelligently, not just process information. Now let's explore how AI agents can assist with learning. Personalized learning paths. AI can tailor lessons to your needs. Adaptive assessments. AI adjusts difficulty based on your progress. Intelligent tutoring. AI gives instant feedback and explanations. Content recommendations. AI suggests the best learning materials. Academic integrity is essential. Here are the key considerations and best practices to follow. Always verify AI-generated information. AI can be wrong. Use AI as a study tool, not a shortcut. Learning matters. Never copy-paste information generated by AI. Protect your privacy. Don't upload sensitive data. Avoid plagiarism. Use AI ethically for learning, not for presenting someone else's work as your own. Properly acknowledging the work of others, restating information, and expressing the same ideas in your own words is crucial. When you use someone's exact words, put them in quotation marks and cite the source. As you research, make it a habit of taking detailed notes, including the source of each piece of information. Avoid any actions that could be perceived as plagiarism, even if unintentional. The next generation of AI systems will be a multi-agent system, or MAS. A multi-agent system is a system composed of multiple AI agents interacting to solve complex problems and make decisions as humans do. These agents can work together to solve problems that would be too difficult for a single agent to handle. Stay tuned for more updates as we explore these advancements. Visit AICareerGuru.com for cutting-edge AI-powered training, expert career mentoring, academic project guidance, and exciting internship opportunities. Subscribe now to stay at the forefront of the AI revolution as it unfolds. We bring you the latest AI innovations even before they are available to the public.